purpose of timesheets are to record your workers' activity throughout the workday. This includes workers' start and stop times, breaks, hours worked, billing information, and much more. When creating bookings with Adia, reviewing and approving your workers' timesheets is the final step in the life cycle of a job booking. A job booking is not finished until the step is completed and all worker timesheets have been submitted. At the end of each workday, use the Timesheets tab to review the pre-populated information and either approve, deny, or edit each worker's timesheet. When finished, select Submit Selected. You can also edit timesheets from the Bookings tab. The Bookings tab offers a different layout for viewing and editing timesheets. There's also some additional functionality like rating and endorsing your workers. Approving and submitting your timesheets is crucial to ensuring your workers get paid on time. So try your best to make a habit of submitting them as soon as your job finishes. And most importantly, be sure to communicate with your workers if there's ever any confusion about the information listed on their timesheet.